You become what you think. Audiobook summary. Justice O. Malcolm. Welcome to Global Audiobook Insights. Introduction. Motivational opening. Welcome, dear listener. Before we begin, I want you to pause for a moment and think about this powerful truth. Your mind is a garden. Your thoughts are the seeds. You can grow flowers, or you can grow weeds. Every great achievement, every powerful transformation, and every downfall begins with just one thing, a single thought. This audiobook summary will guide you into the secret of transforming your life by mastering the power of your mind. Stay with me until the end, because this could be the turning point where you unlock the life you've always dreamed of. The core principle: you become what you think. Justice. O. Malcolm's central message is simple but life-changing. Our outer world is a direct reflection of our inner world. If you constantly think of problems, struggles, and failures, you will see more of them. If you focus on solutions, opportunities, and success, your life will start shifting in that direction. The universe, or what some call the subconscious mind, responds to your dominant thoughts. Just like a magnet, you attract into your life what you hold in your mind consistently. Think of your thoughts like a compass. Wherever you point it, your life will follow. Chapter 1. The Mind as a Creative Force. Your mind is not just a place where random ideas come and go. It is a creative engine. The thoughts you repeat every day slowly build your beliefs. Your beliefs then shape your actions. Your actions, over time, create your results. If you want to transform your life, you must first transform the way you think. Example: if you believe you're unlucky, your mind will constantly search for reasons to prove it true. But if you believe opportunities are everywhere, you will notice them, grab them, and use them to grow. Chapter 2. Thoughts create energy. Every thought carries an energy, either uplifting or draining. Positive thoughts fuel creativity, confidence, and resilience. Negative thoughts drain your strength, make you fearful, and close doors before they even open. Malcolm emphasizes that you are in control. You cannot always choose what happens to you, but you can always choose how you respond through your thoughts. A calm, strong, disciplined mind leads to calm, strong, disciplined results. Chapter 3. Visualization and Imagination. One of the most powerful practices is visualization. Athletes visualize winning before they step onto the field. Successful entrepreneurs visualize closing deals before the first handshake. You can visualize yourself living the life you want, and your subconscious mind will begin aligning your actions to match that picture. Your imagination is a workshop for your future. What you build there will eventually be built in reality. Chapter 4. Guarding Your Thoughts. Malcolm warns, not all thoughts are your friends. Fear, doubt, envy, and anger are like thieves that steal your peace and power. Gratitude, courage, kindness, and belief are like guardians that protect and multiply your energy. He suggests practicing mental discipline. Whenever a negative thought enters, immediately replace it with a positive one. For example, replace "I can't do this" with "I will learn how to do this." Replace "I'm failing" with "I'm growing through this experience." Chapter 5. Wealth and Abundance. Thinking. The book also explores money and success. People who think in terms of scarcity, there's never enough, stay trapped in lack. People who think in terms of abundance, opportunities are endless, attract prosperity. Your financial reality is tied to your financial mindset. Shift from "I can't afford this" to "How can I afford this?" and solutions will appear. Chapter 6. Relationships and Emotional Energy. Your thoughts also shape your relationships. If you think people can't be trusted, you'll treat them with suspicion, and they'll respond in kind. If you think people are worth loving and supporting, you'll attract deeper, healthier bonds. Remember, You don't see people as they are. You see them as you are. Chapter 7. The Universe Responds. One of the most powerful teachings is that the universe echoes your mindset. When you think consistently about success, opportunities start appearing. When you think about failure, doors close before you even knock. It's not magic. It's the alignment of your energy, focus, and actions with your dominant thoughts. Chapter 8. Daily Practice for Transformation. Malcolm gives a simple roadmap for applying this truth. Start the day with intention. Choose 3 positive thoughts you want to carry. Use affirmations. Speak powerful statements like, I am capable, I am growing, I attract success. Practice gratitude. End each day by naming at least 3 things you are thankful for. Protect your environment. Surround yourself with positive voices, uplifting people, and inspiring content. Over time, these habits transform your mental state, which transforms your life. Conclusion. The secret revealed. The secret to transforming your life is not outside you. It's not in luck. It's not in chance. It's not in waiting for someone else to rescue you. The secret is inside your own mind. Change your thoughts and your life will change. Think abundance and abundance comes. Think health and health strengthens. Think peace and your world becomes calm. Remember, you become what you think. Motivational closing. Now, let me leave you with this. Every day is a blank page. The pen is in your hand and your thoughts are the ink. What story will you write today? Believe in yourself, speak with power, think with vision, and live with intention. Final call to action. If this audiobook summary inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs this message today. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on notifications for more life-changing audiobook summaries. Because your next breakthrough could be just one thought away.